Back going down the room. All right, you guys. The kids are about to get their skates for the first time. The roller skates. Let's see how they respond. All right. We'll do eldest to youngest. Xavier. Ooh. And who's next? Jaden's next. Look at that, Jaden.
Look at that, right? Bad and good.
Who do we have left? Janaya.
You have the pink pretty skate.
Pink pretty skates.
What do you guys think of your skates?
Okay, wait, do they need shoes on or do they not need shoes? I don't know what kind. You know, back in the day, you needed shoes on.
Shoes on?
Back in the day?
What?
Remember back, you put the skates that you have to put the shoes on first? The kiddie skates. Okay, y'all know what I'm talking about, right? The skates that you had to put you had to have your shoes on. Okay, I'm not. You know what? My bad. I am 5 years older than him. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, them old regular skates though.
That's how you.
But the kid skates, you used to, okay, look, comment below. My husband is not, I didn't think he was that young, but comment below if y'all know what I'm talking about. The skates where you had to have your gym shoes on, you open the skate up, you put your foot in there, you close the skate. It's an adjustable skate. You close your skate, you strap it on your shoe. Are you serious? You don't even know what that is? Wow. Wow, y'all. Look at that. Ain't that cool? This that new right there. Never seen it like this. So this is Jaden's. I'm trying to get y'all a close up at him. And then these are Naya's. Her emoji skates. I ordered these off of Amazon, you guys. Emoji skates. Okay, we go. Let me see a skate. Then these are Xavier's. Alright, let's figure out how to get them on. Okay guys, I figured out how to do it. So, you unbuckle both of these straps, you take them up like this. And then this piece back here was like this. It was already clipped in like this. Oops. Like this. Right. So you unclip these, then you let this down. Like this. And then this literally turns. And when you turn it, it makes the shoe bigger or smaller. So Naya's started at 7. I think hers started at 7. I'll make hers as small as I can. Do your other one. Do your other one. Lift. There you go. You feel break? Now, ready? We're going to go. You're going to break. Ready? And break. There you go. But you
don't fall backwards.
Don't fall backwards, though. Oh, God. I thought these was the shoes.
I can't help y'all because Daddy sucks at skating.
Right.
So.
Mommy, too. It's working.
What is this dude doing? Zay, where you going? Zay, where you going, man?
Okay, now you ready?
Xavier? Okay. All right. All right. You on camera, bro.
You gonna figure it out? Trying to get this phone.
Zay, that's why you need to stay on the carpet. You're not a pro yet.
Can you help me get it over there?
You gotta wait. It's not your turn. Okay, Naya. Look, this is my gymnast. Look at she gonna let my hands go. Go ahead.
Watch your baby.
Go ahead.
There you go, slowly.
Look at this.
Good night.
This my gymnast right here.
Good night.
Come on, show them how to do it. There you go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
She going slow. That's how you're supposed to do.
Now listen, like if you pick your toe up just a little bit, that should break. Pick your toe up just a little bit in the front. Pick it a little bit. She like, girl, I'm just not getting this part. Hold on.
Nigel's doing pretty good.
I don't even have her.
She's doing really good.
Slow down, Nice. Slow down.
Because she's taking her time.
Take your time. Very methodical. There you go. There you go. These boys just be rushing up. Look at that. That's why girls drool and boys drool. Ha 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 ha. Go ahead. Show them how it's done, Naya. Look, show your brother. Show Xavier. Say, look at me, Xavier. This is how you do it. Okay, say.
Now wait.
Hands up a little bit.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Easy, Jack.
Nice and easy, Jack.
Uh-oh. Nice and calm. Nice and calm. Don't forget you got brakes on the back of your heels.
Zara, I don't think that's a good idea to have your phone on your schedule.
All right. Hold on, Jay. Let's get our burns.
Xavier.
Get him, Xavier. Get him, Xavier. Go on. Back up, Naya. Back up, Xavier. Please. Hold on, Jay. I got you. Stand up.
Whoa.
Look up, Josh. Look up, Josh.
Well, they got big wheels, so.
Oh, stop it. Don't get excited. Please don't get excited. Nice and calm. Nice and calm. He gonna make it. Careful, careful. Careful, slow down. Woo! Okay, you guys. Jaden made it. Woohoo! Xavier, oh, not so much. Oh! He almost hit me.
Jay, do what Xavier did. Take your time. You did that wrong. You do it right.
We almost had a video catastrophe. These are skates, ordered them off of Amazon. They call derby roll. Let me just show you how the box real quick so I can let y'all go. They call derby rollers. This is what the box look like for each kid. These we actually got these from Walmart, but they are the same ones that's on Amazon. This pair, which was Naya's emoji skates, they came off of Amazon. And this pair, which was Xavier's skates, they came off of Amazon as well. I know. I got you. Look at her. Why he look like? And then she does night is walking across like. Oh, look, Sissy made it in. She got him, gave him a little roll through. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing of our roller skates. If you enjoyed this video, this unboxing of our skates today, make sure you subscribe so you can catch the next J&G Family Life video. So you can see what our family life is like.
And remember, we're first timers.
Yep. Oh, he want to make sure y'all know why he almost killed me. Woo! All right, you guys. Comment below. Let me know if your kids they have roller skates, and if so, look at her. Look at this. Look at this. If so, how long did it take your kids to get used to them before they was able to really like skate really good? Because. Woo. All right, say bye-bye. Say thanks for watching. Day 2. Look at them going. They confident now. Let me see you do it, Naya. Let me see you do it. Day 2. Look at her turning around and everything.
He's got to go and
They too, y'all. In her princess dress.